Alright you guys, a little bit of info here about the USB AUX adapter I wanted to use on my Mazda 5 radio. The seller did not believe I had something not working or whatever, so he asked me to send a video and I'll actually give some tips to enhance this device because it's not working properly. Okay, you can see now it's off, there are no LEDs. I'm gonna turn the ignition key and you can see there are some lights coming on, a very short flash on the USB AUX adapter, something going on the USB stick, and now it just keeps flashing. On my radio I can see it's tuned to 3 FM, but if I press anything it just keeps saying no disk, so it's no use pushing any of these buttons. It still would not access the USB drive. The device itself actually became quite warm, and I found there is a design flaw, at least in the version I have. I have a small circuit drawn up over here. What it actually does, I have a 12-volt supply over here, and there is a 1 ohm resistor on the board, a step-down regulator creating about 5 volts, and then here at this end you see a 3.3 volts zener diode. It actually shorts any voltage above 3.3 volts, and normally you have a nice resistor somewhere here in front of the zener diode that will allow a voltage drop, but there is only a 4.7 ohm resistor, probably used for only this circuit, not influencing this 5 volts. But here should have been a resistor. I have the board here also on a picture. The 12 volts is coming somewhere here from the wires on this side. This is your step down regulator, and here it creates 5 volts. This is the 4 ohm resistor, and I actually did cut a track. The track is going from this way over here. This is the zener diode, a small capacitor. I cut this track and put in a resistor. Normally you see your resistors around 100 ohms or something like that. Anything below 22 ohms would be very difficult for the zener diode to survive. This is the USB chip you did see on the other picture. This is an Atmega chip that communicates with the radio system in the car, but mine is still dead. If you have one that is working, probably you should check if it gets quite hot if you have a resistor here in this path. Something like 100 ohms or 150 ohms would be very nice, I guess. Okay, so far this info. If you have a USB AUX adapter that becomes quite hot, just open it, peel back the plastic film over here, the sticker, unscrew it and check the circuit board. If you do not have a resistor here before this zener diode, which is 22 ohms or above, please place a resistor, because well, it just gets dangerously hot. So I do hope I am the only one that bought a unit with this flaw in it, but I guess I'm not the only one. Okay, thanks for watching, bye bye.